AI is changing how websites are built. You don't have to start from a blank page anymore, no hunting for templates, no moving around blocks for hours, and no waiting on a designer just to get a landing page live. Now you can just describe what you want, let AI design it, refine it through conversation, and turn that into a real WordPress landing page. But for this to happen, you need to know how to make AI work directly inside your WordPress website. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Claude Design to create landing pages and push them live directly into your WordPress website. So let's get into it. First, we need a WordPress website where Claude can work. Inside InstaWP, let's create a new WordPress website. This gives us a clean environment where MCP is built in. That means Claude or any other AI tool can connect to the website and work with it directly. Next, let's connect Claude to the website we just created. All you have to do is go back to the InstaWP dashboard, enable MCP, and you instantly get an MCP URL. Now, because InstaWP already has this built-in, Claude can directly connect your WordPress website without any plugin hunting, no API mess or local setup. Just copy the MCP URL which you can see over here, head over to the Claude desktop and add it under custom connectors. And that's it. Your WordPress website is now connected to Claude, ready to take actions in real time. If you want a step-by-step tutorial, we have also made a dedicated video on this topic. You can check that out as well. In Claude Desktop, just click on Design from the sidebar. That takes you straight into the Claude Design dashboard. Now we'll give Claude Design a simple landing page brief. Start with creating a project or design system. You can either select wireframe or high fidelity. I would suggest you to select high fidelity. You don't need a long design document to get started. Simply tell Claude Design about your business, audience, goal, tone, and sections you want. We are also telling the page sections we required, like hero sections, problem sections, testimonials, and so on. This brief gives Claude enough context to design our first landing page. So once we hit create, Claude Design starts structuring the pages. It starts with the hero section and then builds out the rest of the pages. And here it is. We have the first version of the landing page. You can use it as it is or refine it further. If you already have an existing landing page but it looks outdated, has weak copy, or does not explain the offer clearly, you can create a fresh version of it. So to test this, I'm going to just use this landing page that we just created as the base design system and tell Claude to improve the copy, clarity, overall structure, and make it feel more premium. Now that the landing page is ready, let's make it live. Since the InstaWP site is already connected through MCP, there's no extra setup needed. Inside the Claude Design, tell that site is connected through Claude Desktop and push this landing page to that site. And that does the job perfectly. You go from an idea to a proper landing page and even push it live all from here itself. It's that easy now. So this is what AI-first WordPress building actually looks like. It's not just AI giving you ideas, it's AI being connected to your website, helping you build, improve, and pushing things live. Usually getting something like this working on WordPress takes plugins, API keys, and a lot of setup. With InstaWP, it's just already there. Every site is MCP ready from the start, which is what makes the whole workflow smooth and easy to follow. So instead of spending time on setting up things, you can actually focus on building things. If you want to try this out, you can start free at instawp.com and stay tuned for more videos like this.